Okay guys, so in this video, we're going to be getting ready for planting because it's middle of April and we have not even got the planter out. None of the tractors are serviced. So we've got to get all the oil changed, we got to get the planter out, see what's wrong with it, if there's anything wrong with that. There shouldn't be because it had a lot of new parts replaced in the past couple years. So we're just going to run through all that stuff, have to go get the cultivator sometime, probably not today, but go get that, look through that. Just regular maintenance to see what needs to be done before planting, because before we know it, it's going to be dry enough and we're not going to be ready. So this video is going to be about getting ready for planting and really anything else that needs to be done pre-planting. So let's get into the video. Alright, we got all the oil drained out of the tractor, and now we got to go put the high tran fluid back into the tractor.
You let it down a little bit.
We got all the high tran fluid put back into the 7130. There's what was left, so put about 46 gallons in that tractor. So this afternoon we're going to be heading over to the Mauer farm. We're going to get out the disc and the cultivator, and I believe we're going to bring back the disc so then Dad can go to the Gould farm and disc down the soybean stubble, since we never disked it down last fall. So I'd like to go disc it, but you know how Dad is, he's kind of picky. He wants to do it, he wants to make sure it's done to his spec. So we're going to go get the disc, bring it back here, hook it up to the 240, get that ready to go, and then Dad's going to head over to the Gould farm and disc those 40 acres. So yep, let's go get some equipment out. Well, disc and the cultivator are in that shed, so let's go get it out. Little bit. Where's that pin?
Oh, it must have fell off. It was laying right up there. Okay, gotta go find it.
Dad laid the pin on the back of the truck, so now we gotta wait for him to go find it.
Flip up that other jack stand there. We gotta go up and take this.
All right, we got the disc and the field cultivator, and so now we're gonna head back to the home farm. All right guys, so today is May 7th, I believe, and we're gonna finally get the planter out because stuff is starting to finally dry up after so much rains.
Oh, raise it up. Oh, oh. Okay, go up. Speed it up a little bit.
I guess Dad's just gonna roll the dual up here and get the bolts lined up, so then maybe I can drive forward and straighten up and get the bolt heads lined up. We're trying to find the planter hydraulic rate module, which, anyways, we're trying to find the rate module, which connects down there. But it doesn't have any signal. Not signal, but no connectivity. So we're gonna figure that out.